When you have a site license with Personal Finance Lab, you'll get access to our lesson plans. We have a selection of lesson plans that cover investing and personal finance topics. And when you click on any of them, you will get access to a downloadable PDF. They all roughly look the same, with the front page giving you an overview of the different activities that we have included, the standards that are being applied. So all of our lessons have been aligned to Jumpstart and various state standards for financial literacy. You get some key vocabulary words and what the lesson plan includes. The next page will just be a basic introduction going over what this lesson plan is about. And then here you'll have a breakdown for each lesson that we recommend. So all these lessons are going to be included from our learning library. So if you click on any of the links, it'll open up the actual lesson, and we include the open-ended challenge questions as well. So if you assign your students to read the lesson, and then they'll get to finish the little quiz, but then the questions here, you can actually follow along here from the lesson plan. So each of the lessons will have their own little breakdown, so that you can easily assign them as either homework or classwork. There's quite a few in this one. So this one here is from the Investing 101 course. All the other ones are standalone lessons in our library. At the end, you will have some class activities that you can run with your students, including the links to get any worksheets that are needed, as well as group activities of things that you can do with your students to have a bit more interactive learning. And then, of course, the conclusion. At the bottom of our lesson plan page, we also have curated lists of lessons on economics, personal finance, budgeting, saving, and math that were provided by other sources. So if you're looking for some more inspiration, you can use any of those as well.